Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix credit card number is invalid in iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you're trying to add a payment method into your Apple ID, but you're facing this type issue that whenever you have entered your credit card number, you see a message that your credit card number is invalid. So let's see some possible fixes. So the very first fix is that you just have to recheck or double check your credit card number that you have entered a valid or correct credit card number. There is no any arrangement or any problem in that. And once you have checked, or you have to check or try to retype in the credit card numbers. If there is any issue in your credit card number, it will be fixed in this step. And after that, if you are still facing the same issue, so let's see how can you fix that. Very first, you have to check that you have a strong and stable network connection. Open your settings, go for general, and as you know that your credit card number is a location based content, so our main focus is on to set our location. So the very first thing is that you have to double check your VPN connection, that you're not connected to any VPN. If you're connected, try to disconnect. Go back from here, select language and region, select region and select the region in which you are living. You have to keep in mind that you have to select the region in which you're living, or the region of your using your credit card. And after that, go back from here. I also recommend to make a software update. If you find any software update, try to update the software. Go back, open your app store here, tap on the profile option in the top right corner, tap on your Apple ID here, and here you just have to wait for some moments. Then verify yourself using your Apple ID password. And once you have entered your Apple ID password, you just have to wait for this loading and then select country or region option from this page. And here you just have to wait for the loading again, and then look for your own country or region or which you have just selected in your iPhone settings. So I have selected this one. I'm going to reselect this. Tap on this continue option here, and here tap on agree in the top right corner, and here you have to add your payment method again. So if there will be any issue with your location and your last time, it will be fixed in this tab. You just have to add your first select your credit card option from here, then add your credit card number, enter your billing address, your phone number, your name. At the end, just tap on done, and your credit or your payment method will be successfully added into your Apple ID with no any issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.